Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download WizTree safely and easily on your Windows computer. If you're looking for a fast disk space analyzer that helps you find large files and folders in seconds, downloading WizTree is the first step. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for WizTree. From the search results, open the official WizTree website. Yeah, it's always best to download the software from the official source to make sure you're getting the latest version without any unwanted or modified files. Once you're on the download page, you'll see the latest available version of WizTree. Choose the installer that matches your Windows system, then click the download button. Your browser will begin downloading the installation file automatically. Depending on your internet connection, the download may take a few moments to finish. While you're waiting, make sure you have enough free storage space and that your Windows system is up to date for the best compatibility. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and confirm that the WizTree installer has been saved successfully. At this point, the download process is complete and the file is ready whenever you decide to install the application. If you'd like to install WizTree immediately, simply double-click the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The setup process is quick and only takes a minute or two on most computers. And that's it. You now know how to download WizTree safely from the official source and prepare it for installation on your Windows PC. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.